So the first step is to ignore my makeupless face. Once you're done, take an eye primer. It will save you 100 years of shadow packing time. I'm using my finger to blend here as I have 10 of them. So who needs a brush, huh? I'm taking the Sleek V2 palette and I'm gonna use the marked shadows. I will use the e.l.f. brush to set my primer with the lighter shade. Now I'm just gonna build my transition color with the light brown shade from the palette. I'm going to use the sea green shade and the navy blue shade from this palette. I will use the navy blue on all over my lid. As you can see, I'm a very talkative person and I was talking a lot with my friends while filming, so please ignore that. I know at this moment the shadow looks very messy and it's giving a raccoon-like look. I didn't have any clue what I'm doing, but for now I'm just putting all the colors on my eyes and I'll do the blending later. As it's a messy smoky eye look, I'm keeping the liner as thin as possible. Well, I didn't film it, but I used the Elegant Gel Glide liner to tightline my eyes. Now it's time to get a quick glowing base. I'm taking L'Oreal Lumi Magic Primer to get a quick radiant look. I have normal skin by the way, so this primer tends to be enough for me. For foundation, when you're in a hurry, but you also want to look glamorous, no time to experiment with foundation, girl. So just take what suits you best and apply it how you prefer. I'm using a sponge here as you can see. Now I will highlight and conceal with one step. So I'm taking Maybelline AG1 in the shade medium. First I'm using NYC Lip Primer as it will keep my lips moisturized and liquid lipsticks last all day. The lipstick shade that I'm using will be given in the description bar below, along with anything else that I missed. As I'm in a hurry, I'm just going to skip cream contouring part. I'm just going to use a powder contour. I'm contouring my cheekbone and blending it quickly. I'm gonna use the contour powder lightly on my nose as well. And highlighter is a must. I'm using e.l.f. Pinktastic to look fantastic. I am going to wear my lashes off camera. Finally the look is done with itsy bit of mascara. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming excitements. So bye bye till next time.